Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Pictory AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pictory.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Pictory AI website. Now, even if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and directly change your password without even logging in. Now, from the login portal, click on the Forgot Password option underneath your password box, and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your email address and click on Forgot Password, and you will be asked to check your inbox for a password reset email. So go ahead and check your inbox, and you will find an email from Pictory AI. Within this email, you will find a link that you can click on, which will allow you to reset your password. Just type in your desired new password, and then after the confirmation, click on the continue button and your password will successfully be changed. Then you can click on the login button and use your new password along with your email address to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Pictory AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.